Hi, I'm going to read you another story by Karma Wilson. It's about Bear and all of his friends. Let's see now, who are his friends? Let's see, there's Gopher, there's Mouse, there's Wren, there's Badger and Mole and Hare, Raven, Owl. I think that's it. I think that's all of them. And then there's Bear, of course. They're all really good friends and they help each other and they love each other very much, just like we love our friends, right? Okay, here we go. Bear snores on. It's by Karma Wilson. Let me scooch this over. I want you to be able to see these beautiful pictures. Here we go. Jane Chapman. She did all of the illustrations, painted or drew them, whatever she did. Oh my goodness, what season could this be? I think this might be winter. Okay, let's scoot that over. Here we go. I see some footprints. Right to Bear's lair, or his cave, or his den. Lots of different names for that, right? That's where Bear lives. Here we go. Bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. I see him. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. That's called hibernating. When bears sleep all winter long, they wake up in springtime. The cold wind howls and the night sounds growl, but the bear just snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-patter, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Sorry. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. He's made a little fire to keep Toasty warm. The coals pip-pop, and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Ooh, look at those claws. Whoa. That helps Bear scratch up the ants out of the dirt and find berries. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. That's silly. And Badger scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs at the air. "I smelled yummy yums. Perhaps we could share?" "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." We are starting to get cozy here, right? And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters Wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. It's nice and cozy in there now, right? A nice fire and friends and food to eat. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Look, they're dancing. Oh my goodness, they're having such fun. Such fun on a cold winter night. Hare stokes the fire. Mouse seasons the stew. Oh, yummy. Then a small pepper flake makes the bear. Oh, boy. You know what pepper does. Pepper gets near your nose, it might make you sneeze. Achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. Oh, dear. They've awakened the bear. And the bear wakes up. Oh, dear. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping and I've had none. And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans and the bear blubbers on. He's crying, friends. He's just crying. He's so sad that he's missed all the fun because he was sleeping. And then Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, you see, we can pop more corn. We can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles. He sighs with delight, and then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. And when the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. Uh-oh. But his friends snore on. So a good time was had by all, right? They're just on different schedules. Oh, dear. Very sweet. Another sweet bear story, and I hope that you liked it. I love the bear stories, so I hope you did too. I will see you next time. Take care.